Okay, let's get into it. There's this one product just dominating social media feeds, right? CumaBalm.
Oh, yeah. CumaBalm. Sometimes people call it CumaBalm, too. It's everywhere.
Exactly. So today we're doing a deep dive. You've seen the sources. The claims are huge. Under eye puffiness, dark circles, wrinkles, fine lines, all supposedly tackled by this one balm.
And that brings us right to the main question we need to figure out. Is this CumaBalm thing actually some kind of breakthrough?
Mm.
Or is it maybe just, incredibly smart marketing?
Mm-hmm.
The sources do say it's a real product you can buy. It's not a scam in that sense, but those claims need a closer look, especially how fast they say it works.
Yeah, the speed, that's the killer selling point, isn't it? The idea that you see results like super fast.
Right.
We're talking 7 minutes. They claim you can see a difference just 7 minutes after putting it
Sorry,
on,
a minute.
which is perfect for social media, TikTok, Instagram. It's just flooded with these before and afters. Quick videos, looks dramatic.
And the packaging helps too, right? Very minimal, very video friendly. It all feeds into that quick hit visual proof thing online.
So beyond the user videos, what's the brand actually saying? Do they have data?
Well, they do cite a statistic. The company claims 97% of people saw results within 10 minutes.
97%. That sounds impressive.
It does, but you always have to ask where that number comes from, yeah.
Yeah.
And in this case, it's from the brand itself, their own internal testing.
Ah, okay. So not like an independent study published somewhere.
Exactly. Not a peer-reviewed, randomized clinical trial or anything like that. So take it with a grain of salt.
Got it. So if the claims are maybe a bit hyped, what about the actual stuff in the balm? Let's break down the formula.
Okay, yeah. Looking at the ingredients list, it's pretty familiar territory if you know skincare.
Like what?
You've got retinol, which is a big gun for anti-aging, long-term stuff. Then hyaluronic acid, everyone knows that one, for hydration.
Right, moisture magnet.
Exactly. There's also turmeric listed, probably for its calming and maybe brightening effects. And then a mix of standard vitamins A, C, and E for general skin health, antioxidants.
So established ingredients, nothing really out there?
Pretty much. The formula isn't, out of the ordinary. These are common components in lots of skincare products. Nothing sounds revolutionary on its own.
Okay, so let's connect those dots for you listening. We have a real product using ingredients we know work,
Mm-hmm.
but maybe not in 7 minutes. How does that timing square with something like retinol?
It doesn't, really. That's the key thing. Retinol is fantastic, but it works by encouraging cell turnover. That takes time, weeks, usually months, of consistent use to see real changes in wrinkles.
So no 7-minute miracle from the retinol.
Definitely not. Chemically, biologically, it just doesn't work that fast for wrinkles or deep lines.
So if the retinol isn't doing the instant heavy lifting, what is responsible for that super quick visual change people are seeing in those videos?
That points much more strongly toward the hyaluronic acid.
The hydration part.
Exactly. HA pulls moisture into the skin's surface almost immediately. Under the eyes, where the skin is thin and can get dehydrated easily, that plumps it up really fast.
Ah, so it's like instantly inflating the surface a tiny bit.
Sort of, yeah. It smooths things out visually by plumping with water. Plus, there might be other things, maybe some film formers or optical blurring ingredients that help create that immediate smooth look.
Okay, so pulling it all together then. For you, the listener, what's the deal? It's real, it has good stuff in it,
Right.
but those super fast results, the 7 to 10 minute thing, that's likely more about temporary surface level hydration and maybe some visual tricks.
That's the most plausible explanation, yeah.
Yeah.
You're getting an immediate visual improvement, a quick fix, largely thanks to that plumping hydration from the hyaluronic acid, not deep, lasting change in minutes.
So not necessarily fixing the underlying issue long term in that short window.
Correct. It's more about appearance in the short term.
Okay. So final takeaway.
Well, look, it's easy to buy online. If you're curious, if you want to see that quick plumping effect for yourself, go for it. But just manage your expectations.
Go in knowing what it likely is and isn't.
Exactly. Know that you're probably buying a temporary surface-level cosmetic effect, not a 7-minute wrinkle cure.
Right. Which leaves us with a final thought for you to chew on, considering these are pretty common ingredients. How much of that instant result we see online is actually the formula, and how much might just be that intense but temporary hydration effect? Or maybe even just, really good lighting or a subtle filter in those social media videos.
Definitely something to keep in mind next time you see a product promising the moon in minutes.
Food for thought.